Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today I'm going to teach you a great lecture for you to how to make money using ChatGPT. Let's see. Go to Google first, hit ChatGPT and find what the link and how you can access ChatGPT AI tool very super easily. See, ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top OpenAI's GPT-3 family, large language models, and fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement of language techniques which are applied, and the neural networks and artificial intelligence to connecting the information what accurately you need with for more updates information it will show you. So let's see. For my question, we'll ask a question to the ChatGPT and it will give you very response, very less time it will give you. Like an example of if you need a resume, yes, ask a resume with the proficiency or development of any skills or fresher with your what the criteria of job applying you are trying. You just specify the lines, you will get a resume format very quickly. And it's an open source tool, you need not to pay any money, and along with this, using ChatGPT tool only you can make a money yourself, and you will get an business ideas or career growth ideas how to go. We'll see now. See, this ChatGPT 2, you need to create an account to start with it. Either Google or Microsoft account, any one if you are having, you just go with a free account and then start using it. See, try ChatGPT here, click here. If you are already registered, you will see the window, following window now. If you are not, where you need to register first using any of email ID and start logging and using of the free usage. Yes, let's see. Most cases it's going to be in a very busy, and try to two more times, or some of the time you just try later, then you will get very quick response. Yeah, see here, once you logged in you will get this window. Now here you need to write a question to get the information. See, how to make money. That is a very simple question I'm asking to my ChatGPT. Let's see what the response we will get from this. Once received this query, AI tool will understand and refine our query, and we will get a response from this AI tool. Let's see now. Yeah, here also it's open. Yes, it's a re-understanding the query. It's taking time, just something this ChatGPT is getting very huge demand, like a query hitting, how to make money. So send a message to ChatGPT. Let's wait a few seconds. Yes, there are many ways to make money, of which is include starting a business or become an entrepreneur, investing stocks and real estate or other form investments, a fund finding a job, of starting career as a field you are passionate about, and all the steps it is written. See very clearly, selling items, freelancing and providing services, and practicing online service of the focusing of the groups, creating, monetizing and content on YouTube. Yes, this is a great tool. If you are a creator and you are able to making more creative information to the users or designs, if you are a passion, yes, you start it. And it's an important note that making money takes efforts, often requires a certain level of skill experience. Additionally, it's important to be aware of the risk of your research before investing any of money. So be careful and start using this artificial intelligence tool of ChatGPT to find many ways and start earning today and make rich very soon. I hope it's a video lecture is very useful to you. Please do subscribe now for such lectures, and we'll come back with you. It's a great information of more. Thank you.